Hello everyone, if you're new here, welcome to the pack. I'm Wolf the Dead, and today we are going to utilize some of our Paletteful Packs stuff for today's art video. I'm going to be using the Strathmore Watercolor Postcards, the Van Gogh watercolor set that we got with our Paletteful Packs box in May. If you hear Grim in the background, that's because he is playing a video game. And if you hear anything that sounds like crash boom, that's my washer and my dryer. Because I had to do clothes too, and I don't have a studio, so I'm at the kitchen table. Alright, so today I'm going to take Paletteful Packs, prompt number, I think it's 2, maybe it's 3. One of Paletteful Packs' prompts was to draw something out of your window. Well, outside my window right now, it's snowing. It's May and it is snowing. So I thought that we could take one of our postcards and try to do like a little birdie in a snowy background with like little trees or something. Because I seen little birds out my window hiding on my speaker on my porch. So I'm going to see if we can do a little bird hiding from the snow on this. Now, I don't think it's going to turn out very good because I'm not that good with watercolors, but we're going to play around with it and see what we can come up with. Alright, without further ado, let's get to it. Okay guys, so this is what I ended up with. I incorporated a robin, or at least that's what I was going with, a robin, but it's a little bird on a branch. I used micron pens for my signature, POCSA pens here and there for the white and for the letterings. This is only like on my second watercolor that I've done in the past. I'm not even sure how long, but I did use the Van Gogh watercolor set that we got in the May 2020 box with Paletteful Packs. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to become part of the pack. Alrighty, well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!